Let's talk about the real benefits of chia seeds. If we talk about omega-3, it is believed to be good for the heart. It helps thin the blood, which is why fish, especially fatty fish, is recommended, because it contains a high level of omega-3. Now the question is, people say chia seeds have even more omega-3 than fish. So what's the difference? The omega-3 found in chia seeds is not the active form of omega-3, the one known to be anti-inflammatory. The active omega-3 that our body can use is called DHA, but the type found in chia seeds is called ALA. And yes, it's true that chia seeds contain the highest amount of ALA. This is actually the form that comes before DHA, meaning it is the precursor or raw material for DHA, which the body has to convert into the active form. Now the question is, how much ALA gets converted into DHA? The answer is very little, only up to 5%. Now moving to the next point, eggs. A medium-sized egg has about 7 grams of protein, while chia seeds have 4 grams of protein. So are they the same? No, because egg protein is considered the most bioavailable protein, meaning the body can easily use it. Actually, the most bioavailable protein is mother's milk, then eggs, then meat, then fish. But plant-based proteins like those in chia seeds are much lower on this list. I researched a lot, but I couldn't find how bioavailable the protein in chia seeds actually is. Now, chia seeds also contain vitamin E, a little vitamin C, B vitamins, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. If you look at research, chia seeds are considered cardioprotective, meaning they protect the heart. Lower blood pressure are good for the brain, and slightly thin the blood. But the biggest benefit of chia seeds is their soluble fiber. Here's what I do. I take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and put them in half a cup of water. I stir a bit and leave it for a while until it swells into a gel. Then I take a bowl of yogurt, unsweetened homemade yogurt without sugar. After that, I add some walnuts, almonds, figs, and the chia seed gel I prepared. When mixed together, it becomes a delicious pudding. But the real benefit is hidden in this gel. This gel is soluble fiber. It is like a blessing for your microbiome, the good bacteria in your gut. This gel is their food. They consume it, convert it into energy, and this energy is the fuel for the cells in your large intestine. If your gut has ulcers or inflammation, this chia seed gel is very beneficial. And if you suffer from constipation, it will give you relief. Some people say chia seeds contain lectins, which can irritate the colon. But don't worry. The level of lectins in chia seeds is very low, meaning it's not harmful. They only contain fiber, but also plant nutrients like polyphenols. These are things your gut microbes love to eat. The real benefit is that you're feeding these tiny microbes, and in return, they indirectly help you. Your mood, your energy, your overall health, all are connected to your gut microbiome. That's why I recommend including chia seeds in your regular diet, along with other foods that feed these microbes, like fermented vegetables, vinegar-based pickles, homemade yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, pickles, kimchi, etc. One more thing, do not grind chia seeds. Use them in whole form after soaking. Aztecs have been using them for a very long time. This is an ancient superfood. That's all for today's video. Take care of yourself. Press subscribe button for more videos.